Hey guys, so today, I'm sorry. Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today we'll be making Pamper slime. And I got the Pamper full with the water only. So I'm going to unscrap it and show you how Pamper slime will look. If they won't work, go to Brianna's channel. The channel name is Brianna. Go to that channel. Tell her the slime slime did not work. She requested me to do it. Okay. I need to find the scissors. That's how I
What's up, y'all? I'm Jamaya. You call me Maya in the kitchen.
tell me when the camera go off.
Alright.
Guys, I couldn't find it, so I'm just gonna use the bottom of this comb. If it don't work, I'm gonna get in trouble because I just wasted my sister Pamper. Okay. It's working. It worked. It worked. It worked for real. Yes, it's crystals. Y'all remember she said it's gonna be a whole bunch of crystals? It's crystals. It actually some blue. Guys, it worked it. But the only problem I don't like is hot. Well, I like the feeling, but look. It's actually right. You can't do no ASMR. But yeah.
It's slime, y'all.
It's actually slime. I don't think they can see it. You can hold it over so they can see. It's slime. See? So yeah, guys. So now I'm finna put it in the container. I'm finna put it. Oh my god. This is the container I'm finna put it in.
It really is slime.
Yes, I can't believe it. I'm gonna tell Brianna I made Pamper slime. Now put it in this. Nope. Just put it in this one over here till I fill it up. It's already finna fill. Without you here, I would have been trying to struggle. They would never been able to see the slime or nothing. And then I'm gonna color it at Brianna's eyes tomorrow. I hope you be up. What time? Now you can't come outside.
Yeah, because then I got to go shopping with my mom, too.
Oh, dang, bro. I'll be gone tomorrow, too. I'm forgetting about that stuff. All the slime about gone.
It is a little bit everywhere.
We are scraping. Alright.
It really is.
So, guys, I filled up 3 of the things for the slime. So, that's all I want to show you. And go check out the video that I just did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And it'll be linked down below. So, yeah. I hope y'all liked this video. And that's Jamaya.